How to fix OneDrive icon missing from Taskbar and File Explorer. So there's nothing worse than opening your File Explorer to quickly drop a file into the cloud, only to find the OneDrive sidebar shortcut has completely vanished. To make matters worse, the little cloud icon is missing from your Taskbar system tray too, leaving you completely blind to your sync status. Today, we are forcing Windows 11 to re-inject the missing shell extensions and drag OneDrive back to your workspace in under 2 minutes. Okay, so to begin, guys, you can just find the executable for your OneDrive. So you can either do it with Windows plus R, and then you can input the path right over here, which is going to be here, and then also the OneDrive exe, or you can just use your search, file search, type in OneDrive exe, okay, and then just go ahead and right click and then open path. Okay, and now there's your file. And in here, guys, you just need to double click it and launch it and see if it reappears right here. Okay, in my case, as you can see, backed up and synced. So you just launch it. And then, guys, if OneDrive is running in the taskbar but completely stripped from your File Explorer sidebar, the system's registry namespace folder pointers are fractured. So let's force a re-registration pass. Okay, so how do we do this? So while you're still in your Explorer, click on these three dots right over here and choose Options. Okay, this will open up this little window. Then go to View, and then scroll down to the absolute bottom right here, and locate the file, or should I say checkbox, called Show All Folders. If it's not down here, it's probably going to be, there you go. If it's not down there, just search for it, it should be here somewhere. And then just press Apply and OK. You can close out. And then the exact second you do that, the Windows shell kernel refreshes its directory, cache layer, and your OneDrive node will pop straight back into the left sidebar rail, and your active sync data streams will be fully visible again. So try these out. If this helps also, like and subscribe.